How to fix WhatsApp backup over cellular data not working. So if your backup is not working on your cellular data on WhatsApp, then first let's open WhatsApp application and then go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and go for settings. And once you go for settings, and here you can go for chats, and under your chats, if you scroll down here, you will have chat backup, right? Choose chat backup, and here it will take it to your backups. So if your backup is not working under your cellular data, then what you need to do is you need to simply turn on the backup using cellular data option, because if that is turned off, then your backup won't work. So simply turn on the button, and once you turn on backup cellular data, now your issue will be fixed. So that's how you fix your issue, which is WhatsApp backup over cellular data. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.